Join us for 4 days in paradise, from hiking dramatic peaks to snorkeling crystal clear waters. In this video, you'll see why Moria is considered the underrated island of French Polynesia.
Lenny.
Yeah?
Look that way.
We've been on Moria for about 5 minutes and I'm already obsessed. Look at these mountains! Holy crap! For most of our stay in Moria, we booked a Vrbo, a fraction of the cost of one of the resorts, but just as luxurious. I'll link it below if you're interested. How do you like our place? We're finally in the ocean. As soon as we got to our Airbnb, we put on our bathing suits and headed to the beach. Little did we know our first dinner on the island would be one of the best meals I have ever eaten.
I'm very excited for everything on this boat.
We ordered the carpaccio, which is raw tuna, onions, and a passion fruit glaze or something on top. I don't know. Oh my god, we just finished our dinner at restaurant Tia Hura, and holy crap, that's the best thing I've eaten so far. Like, that was amazing. We're gonna try and come back. Good morning. We have a gecko in our bathroom. Check it out. Pretty cute. There's two now. They were fighting a minute ago. That one is going into her towel. Excellent. It's our first full day in Moria, and today we're going to be doing the Three Coconuts hike, which is the most popular hike to do in Moria, and we can already see why. And you get gorgeous views at the top, supposedly, so I'm super excited. One thing that's been really interesting on Tahiti and Moria is that there are chickens literally everywhere. It's just like on Moana with Hey Hey. Good thing it's not the Amazon and there's spiders everywhere.
Oh, there's a waterfall back here.
Pretty cool, man. The Three Coconuts hike is about 4 miles long and a little under 1,000 feet of elevation gain. It's considered moderately difficult. If it's been like rainy, it can be muddy and slippery though, so keep that in mind. But the weather here has been great. So far, it's been really cool. That was a close one. There's so many crazy flowers and plants here. Another great reason to go on a hike, and checking them out is a great excuse for a break. Yeah, I wouldn't want to do that if it were rainy and muddy. Wow, you make it look so easy.
It's because I'm an adventurer.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. We made it to the top, and it is worth it, despite the fact that I am very sweaty. And I will say, a tip is to start early. We started hiking around 8. I would have started earlier if you could, because now it is so hot. So bring lots of water, but it is worth it for the views.
Watch out for chickens up here. They've got a death wish and try to chase you off the edge.
That's true.
Hey, hey, lead the way home.
I'm just gonna pass you. I made it this time without slipping. Turns out, as usual, going down a hike is a lot easier than going up. I don't even have upper lip sweat this time. Another reason to do this hike early, this parking lot was empty when we got here, and now it is packed. Also, I would not want to be starting right now. It is so hot. After that hike, you know we need some lunch. So we're at Snack Moana right now, which is like the #1 place recommended to eat in Moria.
One dish you have to get, always on tuna and coconut milk. And by golly, is it delicious.
we're at the Rotui Juice Factory on Moria, which you can do a self-guided tour. They have signs throughout with information. Not gonna lie, I kind of wish it was guided because I'm really lazy, but I'm trying to make myself read it because it is interesting and you actually get to see everything down there, which is really cool. But the best part is that it's actually connected to Manatee Distillery next door, which we're about to check out and have ourselves a taste of rum. Cheers for Manuya.
Banana vanilla rum. 30%. This
Thank
rum
you.
is made with molasses of sugar cane and aged in oak barrel for 4 months.
After enjoying a drink with a view at Le Cook's, this is a vacation after all, we hit the beach. To end our perfect day in Moria, we are at what's known as the most beautiful beach in Moria, known for its white sand beaches. It's right next to the Sofitel Hotel. Right over there, we've got Tahiti. We've got the sun setting behind us. It is absolutely gorgeous, and I'm excited to dive in the water. I said it, and now I have to do it. I'm low-key regretting, but here we go. Ah, it's so warm though. It's actually fine, so. This is the clearest water I have ever swam in by far. Crystal clear. When Peter suggested an Italian place for dinner, I admit I was skeptical. But once again, our dinner was delicious. Today we're doing a full day snorkeling tour on one of these traditional outrigger boats, which is going to be super cool. It takes you into the different lagoons around Moria, those crystal clear blue waters. We should see some awesome fish, maybe some stingrays, hopefully see some black-tip reef sharks. You can either do a half-day tour or a full-day tour, so I'll leave links in the description so you can check them out. It looks like our boat's here, so let's get going. The tour began with stops at Moria's 2 bays, while our guide shared some history about the island and we soaked in the views. Then we were brought to the best spot for encountering rays and reef sharks, and it did not disappoint.
It's so cute!
We've already seen a ton of the black-tip reef sharks and even some stingrays. This is really cool. Stingray right there. It was such an incredible experience seeing these critters up close and personal. Just remember, they are wild animals and to treat them with respect. They were super friendly though. We decided the sharks were like sea kitties and the stingrays were sea puppies. Ooh la la! 3, 2, 1. That was cute. There was another snorkeling stop with more sea puppies and reefs. We even found Nemo. Manuya! We were definitely channeling our inner Moana this entire tour. For lunch, we had a bit of a cooking class, which began with a lesson on cracking coconuts. Come on, Peter! Give this video a like to lend Peter moral support. Good job. You're losing your juice. Oh! Learned how to make poisson cru, which is one of the signature local dishes of Moria and Tahiti, and it's amazing and even better when you make it yourself. We then learned how to make palm frond hats, aka my birthday crown. Cocoa Beach, which is a little island off of Moria where it has a restaurant and bar. We just got here. It's one of the top things to do in Moria since it's a fun little experience. You can either take the shuttle boat, which Cocoa Beach offers for about 500 XPF, which is $5 per person, not too bad. Or if you wanna, make it a little extra fun, you could rent a paddleboard or a kayak. They've got them on Moria, different places you can rent from, and just paddle on over, pull up your kayak, and head to the bar. And that's what we're about to do.
There's worse ways to live your life.
So everywhere we've been going, we've been ordering the Poisson fruit, because that's like the local thing to try, right? And the interesting thing is everywhere we go, it tastes a little bit different. And luckily, Cocoa Beach has done it right, and it's delicious. We also got some skewers. Everything tastes amazing.
Not gonna lie, I didn't realize Moria would be such a foodie destination, but everywhere we ate was bomb.
Your shirt, where did you get it?
Thanks, you made it.
Oh yeah, I made it because I'm a graphic designer by day, and I thought that we should get some better souvenirs than what they sell at the shops around the world. So I've been making shirts for years now for all of our trips, and obviously I had to make one for French Polynesia. So if you like it, make sure to check out the link below. There's that and many more.
We had very exciting plans for the rest of our stay on Moria. We were checking into our very own overwater bungalow for my 30th birthday. Truly a dream come true. We'll be sharing our full experience in our next video, so be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Oh yeah, get the ocean in there. Oh yeah.
Welcome to Adventures with Penny. I'm sweaty.
Welcome to the mines of Moria.
Stay away. I hear the liquid, it's a good one.
In that crystal clear blue water, some black tip reef sharks. I know how to say things. To see once again, I just never know how to end it. I don't want to say, let's find out.